Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Mwana nendo mwancho murigererio Ndizi TV kirokoro kwigena kwande mna kwabero kwego kyaso kubwate mirobero yonsi gatasindikiga kya Ndizi TV nigo cyaragire cinsa 10 cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania semesa mayeri nkumenya nara yaya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge gendera kutunyara sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube wetunyara wetra Ndizi TV News na bigase website ito wetra www.ndizitv.net erio togendere gusanga asobwa moere ne Evelino Sero lide musenere tokubatira na sensemo yemanyererio nabo igosara mumanyi nero kwene kyatwita nerio gityawe kere asentre abenango kwargano be ko busanga amonenche oika omwerio Kwa ntobe ya togo chaka senchira ya vena mangana maye chinsa ikomia sobenge kurwase county ya Kisii awase abanyakenyoro ko ba mwamwebi borabu kurwase wodi ya sensime yebunke ya Kitutu cha Chenote county ya Kisii bagendrete gochengera ogocha amo naboigo obomobwe kyombegyo kwegenderia anene ase ensemo yoburemia yamaga yoko wachingo ko ogwetania emeronko 5 ne kyombeke mo ekyo kirwete gosire byombe au kya Joshua Nyarenchi eriyo gokonya abanyakenyoro asibabere abanyakyomba abo babere bawakangambye muno na utana chingo kecho nigo bagochiwe gochituga asentera erengia eriyo ko bakonya aso kwegendereria nene kwenyorera engeria nabo igokonyora chingo ko chinde chinyinge kirabakonye ase amatukabusyo
Jesambali yango ku Joshua Munari ibumburi ndega mwamwe biburabu Kinyoro kia mwamwe burabu bono itwachakire group twachakite mutinyo gatatu kumutinyuka kane tukanyore certificate ya kurwese social services bona tuli gango kora tuli table banking egetu chatwa ikase mesa twaina na kipesa twaina na abantu babere every Tuesday ekipesa kinde kingo tigarange nabo tokone twakora banking as a account bona ga etwachakite bune group yense egere kenyore ketenya ko bage ko bachonjo asa mangana echinyeni asa mangana obutugi bwechombo obutugi bwechingoko bone ka twanyorete nga asinali Joshua nya makuri abwena tokonya
onda no mugoka sinyo twanyorire chingoke project ngana korora gesana nyome twekenyoreke lakini rero iga narorire nga makuri na to chari tiase kenyoreke iga twanyorire chingoko
ola rondero no mugoka sana Sengenjo Joshua Makunya Range Foundation ya tuikirima. Tuatere nambi ya mono ase chingoko chiri atoire. Togo sabana chingoke chi ya saa chirende. Jitwara muchando ndos. Tuatere nambi ya mono na atoa endagira, na atoa ji vaccination. So ndore no maana na chingoke chi chikole ndubiya. Njire tama za ramaya.
Nechinga ki abari mu isaye kyombe gya kupet bagendrete no mugiroba uyoba kogoswari tkori ya gatano imensi ya Kenya nigo bana bwatani abo gendrete wesokya na kogania eserekari gokora chingwa na choko iwana moneke mbeke gya kupet eriyo ko eneke una babere bakwira na semeremo yabo ya kirori twokine birenko byetsemi nigo bana bagendrete komochia ekyombekeria ya Teacher Service Commission asogo taikirania amaganyo yabari mwabo asebaborire kyombekyo kebege gokora gegosege kugayana emechande yo eriyo abari mwabo kwirana asobokorera bwabo
institutions chiae ndo bwate very key sectors chia society serikali tabwante ko korera gosori munase kisemi na mangana ya health ekogera konyora bona megomeye ibna ya banafunzi it is affecting the future ya bana nebintu kange serikali eko mitigate mapema to ensure that abali mumbale gasi egento turage getobole tebone gasi ense yaito bali bago kore mere maskini institution ya chiga what we call empower the personnel. Omwalimu no muntu bwengenjo asengenjo nero kogerekia abantu abangi tuli. Lakini kwa nyoranga motivation yeli atakire kwa ewa colleagues ya inomuki elindo we have quality education.
And that was a policy made by a Teacher Service Commission saying that teachers need to be promoted, teachers need to get the medical allowance and other allowances. And that one was made a policy. Me, what I'm saying here, the TSC is trying to become a police person policing the policy, which is against the law. Another thing which I can only say is the TSC cannot use the court to heal the scores which TSC had made. The law only said the union has to be given a temporary injunction.
Serikali ya temire twarorire nga kibesa giasoire bengi lakini ora kabesa kalina gantaga zinini igentongero ekenene batigete isiko usukia barimu baria ebiroga ake abarimu mbaro manyeta basani bana twena wa university abuate PhD in education.
Na chinga kiyo watka kwa morere chingenjo ao kugendrete koine kiwase kirengo kiegoro na boigo kwa mkira kwa maroira yohane na sorogongorwa gusi nigo abantu bagendrete kuborirwa koine kiabunangwe sokya vale asi chinga kibonrete gotarira chinya gitari korinkoriwa eriyo konyora obogwenia bwa genkyo gokwana nigo Dr. Henry oyobo igoro mu wenia bwa maroire ye mariogo yemete aberega kwerera obuya bwa mariogo yemete na gatana nigo akobwenia amaroire chingencho au nonya nari asinyire ase chinyagatari
nigongo te abantu baitu mu gusia sabita igoro na inki kegendrete mono asoro gongo bitu rapsi maruira chire ayanda mange makuba maberera le chinyomba nyonye no bokungu injara borororo maruira yanyale ko baga kogendo koiwete wango iganga maruira na jita kubwata aukwiye gyo mubero umuntu bimbango busisa maruira yonsi pi ekara tukunya rudigereria kolengana moneli iri ganda tukunya ko bali go chenje eri go toro kinga omoerio wo wenseyo orange mona yekugarane gente ke muge kwanire nga maruira go go challenge wono ko te ya baminto asengencho nyasaya rweto bungaine mona kisemi ko chasekera chinse tuanyolera ba science bakunyara kwa bago pima maruira ao bono ko batebia nganyo ndiri mwarenge wanja ekere mwarorire obakorera gwakira asenka obana bakorera gose babwate liberera litari kumanyekana buya otari ko no mutu gwati bamenyo kigunya gitari bapimwe kera bapimirwe bamanyekane nga muchando kinti pieta ede bocha asimu mwana gwate gose neke uno kie bisireime kia keragere omwana leto muchando o COVID-19 ekine kama kiabo tokuba umisa elinde munyale karumwa pimirwe wagacha po Medicine Society of Kenya nebwata mario amayamono akunyara kwa konya abantu yemete ejyo abagusiba agatumikire kurukale elinde banyaka babako bwena lakini nyuma yake kwa lengiru na ndikuwa manyekane kabisa nga umuchando bwata na
Muraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigagendereria etaro yaye ase county ya Siaya chingaki agendrete gokora etaro ya magendero ase chingong chinsemo aime yorogonko rwa Nyanza gokwana chingaki echo Ruto nigabaga kwegerera gusiga gokwanira igoro yo bwamatega TNC ya Kenya na baigo ense ya Buganda asikeria bakakote babuna okogenda kwa Raila Amolo Odinga gochia gotinira obomo bwe chinse cha Africa ni gokora konyamono asokoreta obwa mateburo bya higati y'echinse cyo nabigo ense ya Kenya anene ase ense ya Buganda notana nigo arachikoroberia gukora chingwana gati yere no murai wense ya Buganda Yoweri Museveni eriyo kuligia richi buriyo kugayana amakongwa yagendete kwene kiwe gati y'echinse chibere nabo igo kwene kiabuna babere bagutinya obwa mateburo bya asensemo ya magendro ngaba ko igora emiroberio aho gose ucyaka emiroberio aho ya magendro ase county yo ya Siaya gati yabo ekewanda ye chinswe egati emiroberio endemengi
ataenda kuwa hiyo safari ambaye ataenda kuwa kiongozi wa bara zima la Afrika. Sasa tutakuwa na mwongozo sawa.
Kokona ase omuroberio ibwa magendero boigo nigo muraibwa barabanga se bunge Kimani Chungwa na beigo abirega kubanekeria bamenyi korwa ase county ya Siaya bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo erengete koreta obomo egati aba Kenya bonsi ase kirenga kya magendero yogosikia ense ya Kenya bosioni gateba na niga magendero achwikiranirwa ase chinsinyo chonsi ane nasoro nkorwa Nyanza na boigo bwa matobu ya kororoka negati aba Kenya bogesaku botayo.
Sisi tutaungana na nyinyi, tutembee pamoja kama Wakenya wa nchi moja, so that we put behind us the politics of regionalism, the politics of division, the politics of ethnicity, and we unite together as the people of Kenya who have a rightful share in the government as the people. Ninyi watu wa Siaya, watu wa Luo Nyanza ni Wakenya kama Wakenya wengine. Kweli si kweli? Hata hiyo mambo ya Dominion mnasema, tumesikia rais anasema anyorosha Dominion arudi asirudi. Arudi ili aendelee na kazi ya kujenga mashule na barabara na vijana wapate ajira, so that we have a nation of equal opportunities. Bila kubaguliwa umetoka wapi ama ni nani. Nimeshukuru rais kwa
Ritkoria rero nigoria swari tkoria gatano ase omugiro bwa bari muise kyombe gya kupeti abagenderete kwe murungania kubatkana nogo taikiraniwa kwa magania bo nigo abari mwabukorwa chisinyo ao gati abe county ya Isiolo geyo mara kwete gati county chinde abagenderete kumochia ekyombe gya Teacher Service Commission ase oko baumbia na kubaunereria askere batere na nigo barachikogendera n'umugiro yo wika magania yo abereka gotegererwa ase boigo bamuganetie omotenereri w'ekyombe kyo ya Teacher Service Commission Nancy Macharia kobaka wetigia emeremo nigo chingo kiechyo abateneneri korwa se kyombe kyo gya kupeti babere bagoteba na goika umugiro gendera chinsinyo chonsi mense ya Kenya.
We cannot listen to anybody. Even when the president says that the strike is off, we are not going to listen. Yes. The only body which empowers the union is the National Governing Council, which will give direction to this country, to these teachers of this.
Teachers Service Commission is the poorest employer in this country. Na tutaki mchezo raundi. Uwezi niambia our medical cover, which was 22 billion, the government can reduce this medical cover to 11 billion when the employer is watching. Tunasema Nancy Macharia must go. Tumesema Nancy Macharia must go. Na si tafadhali.
I want to say TSC should behave. Mwalimu ni graduate. We are all graduates. Yes. The way other civil servants are being paid. Tunataka kula kuku kama wengine. Yes. Tunataka manyumba mazuri. Yes. Tunataka gari nzuri. Yes. Tuachwe kulipwa peanuts. Yes. We don't want peanuts. We say JSS to be confirmed. Yes. We say the CBA to be implemented. Yes.
As we are fighting for JSS teachers to be confirmed, the 46,000 JSS teachers, there were letters going rounds yesterday asking the same JSS teachers to confirm, to reapply, to renew a contract that was declared illegal the other day. Then the other day somebody declared our strike illegal and we are told to go back to school. Then we ask, is it only a court order for teachers and not a court order for any other person? Tungeomba rais aanze kuheshimu mkataba na sheria ya koti, walimu tutafuata.
I want to warn Teacher Service Commission that teachers are not pieces of paper. Even if you gag them not to express themselves in the manner that they want in this industrial action, they will make learning difficult in their various schools. The kind of noise that you find around schools will not make learning possible.
Mugomo inaendelea. Mugomo
inaendelea.
Yes, father and grand.
Aboroki wa Kurwase University ya Nairobi nigo besokire na korwa kubore uchase aboroki wa Kurwase University chinde mense ya Kenya wesokia na kobwatra nase okurobekana okubaroberetie gokora kitariki bere cyomutienyi okiando mutienyi ogocha aseba kwe murunkaneria umuroberi obwoko bwatuka kibesa asechi University nigo bakorawa numurayobo nigo batere no merobero yabo nigo gose nigo barengete kwa mereri umuroberi obwo koina no akwechibesa saboroki wa Sechi University na watababuna moroberio yotori omwekirana nigo raje kuba unereya anene bali bakorwa Sechinga kitari kwenyara nigo baruro kubore cya serikali gotegerera ebirero byabo nako bakonya asenchiremo yokoba konya wikirania chise gose wikirania masomo a Sechi University.
Please, Mr. President, we are begging you on behalf of all the students, listen to our cry, listen to our voices and get us on board. To the policemen, on Monday, please, remember we are only students. Please, please, please. This one we are sending it directly to the AG. We are not culprits. We are not thieves. We are only coming with two things: knowledge and ourselves.
Number one, Mandela said that education is the only weapon that you can equip an African child. And where we stand as students, it isn't even right with our conscience to see ourselves subject incoming first years and second years to a model that isn't really favoring them. The public at large is crying because they've been placed in weird bans and being subjected to pay excessive amount of fees. And with that, as my governor has said here, we have issued a police notice. We brought it on Wednesday, so let no officer say that we didn't notify them. Come on Monday, we shall engage in a peaceful demonstration and tell the government to listen to our cry.
Mwancho muliri yayo mnaenda mange no chikenyora senchera yobu ikirano ikirera ragense mona boigo chinsa isato chiamugoroba yendra utunyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube utunyora wetra Ndizi TV News na boiga se website ito utunyora wetra www.ndizitv.net yari togendre gusanga asobwa mo krendengo bakirambia mono bali obwensi bogendre tago turgereria kurwase chinsinyo au asensemo ya Facebook na botambe negati yabo babiri bagotuma chijumbe cyabo actress Street Girl agoteba nagendrete goto bwatia Dolphin Mura nagendrete ko bwati umurobero Jeria Kerubo ko rachinsemo tia Barin Kingdom nere no arime Rose Michiemo agoteba nagendrete ko rigereria live mbia mono asebalia mwense mogendrete goto bwatia iritrene Evelyn Osero lida musinere to bwatra nasensemo imanyerero no bigo Sara Mumanyi nero nekia chibiche neriogi cha wikire asencha bene torbulire bro bya semero bire ko bwatia no bigo imagoroba erentwereru